Here we are at Volta Direct Primary Care here in Pompano Beach.
Hello.
And I'm talking to Mr.
Hi, I'm Dr. John.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle.
A husband and wife team, our new subject matter for our business leaders on the move, doing great things. Why don't you quickly tell me about yourself?
Yeah, so we are what's called a direct primary care clinic. I'm a family doctor.
I'm a family nurse practitioner.
And so we started our little micro practice here in Pompano Beach because we were very frustrated with what healthcare is like today in America. We think it really prioritizes the wrong things, but direct primary care is an effort to change that. So we don't require insurance, we don't bill insurance, everything is like a subscription, like a Netflix subscription. And we can then work for our patients rather than for billing and insurance companies and things that we should not be working for. So we negotiate our lab prices that we do right here for reduced costs. We keep medications right in this room. Our patients don't pay co-pays, they don't pay deductibles, they just see us and text us whenever they need. That's us in a nutshell.
And how long have you been in business or in practice?
For about a year and a half in this office.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And quickly, your motivation, your aha moment of this is who I want to serve and do, where did that come from?
So it started when I was in medical school and a doctor told me that I should quit before it's too late when I see what healthcare is like. And then the light bulb went off when I was in residency down at and I saw doctors doing this type of model who were happy, but more importantly, patients that were getting the care that they deserved and that they should have been receiving. And then we decided, we can't do it any other way. We got to do it this way.
That's business 101. You see the void and you fill it.
Yeah.
That's
And
wonderful.
Family medicine, we see the whole family, so babies up into the elderly. So
Really?
we love caring for whole families.
Wonderful. And we used to occupy this space, and this is wonderful what you've done with it. Can you give us a quick tour?
Yeah, sure. So this is our lobby. We have our core values here on the wall to make sure people know what we're about. Coffee for anyone who's interested. This is where we do a lot of important workup things in this office. So we draw labs right here. Again, we negotiate the cost of our labs so patients know how much they're investing into their healthcare and can receive cost savings that are really significant. We keep common medications here in our office. So if a patient needs an antibiotic, or if they need birth control, or if they need a cholesterol or a blood pressure medication, we're oftentimes not saying go to the pharmacy. We're saying come right here to our office and get the reduced, affordable medications that you can receive here.
Wonderful.
This is where I see most of my patients here. This is where Gabby does her women's health.
Do a lot of disease prevention and health optimization. We use those rooms, and this is our family room. So if people have kids and they want to come in at the same time, their kids can play here. We can sit at the table, discuss our health goals and history.
Wonderful. Give me a quick testimonial. Just one. What do people say about you?
Yeah, I think I'm trying to think of the most recent one that someone would have said. I think the most recent patient experience that someone had where they realized we are who we say we are and we mean what we say is a patient they woke up thinking that they may have an emergency, they had a really bad splitting headache, thought it was a sinus infection. Rather than going to the ER or going to an urgent care where they would have been charged hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars, they sent us a text. We got on a quick telemedicine phone call, identified their need and their complaint, and handled it with a quick phone call for a medication to be called in.
Wonderful.
That cost of their encounter was $0 when it could have been, who knows how much elsewhere.
Serving the families and the insurance companies, because you're seeing more and more scams now. You see that?
Yeah.
With the fake COVID testing and such. I just saw that just the other day.
Yeah.
So this is a wonderful thing. Number one, I love what you've done with the place.
Thanks for coming
And this
by.
is totally wonderful. And how do we find you?
Yeah, our website is Volta DPC, like direct primary care, voltadpc.com. Yeah. And then this is just office space and where we do events and see people just kind of.
Wonderful. Look at that. That was what was that? What was that? Laundry dry? I can't remember what space that was. There's a bathroom over there.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you turn it around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Stop
Phone
by.
number real quick.
954-320-0737.
Excellent. Thank you very so much. My name is Saheem, and this is Business Leaders on the Move, giving you all a shout out. Great job.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.